Mr. Benjamin Anthony, National President of Amalgamated Union of Public Corporation Civil Service and Recreational Services Employees, AUPCTRE, lauds the federal government for its intervention in the Investment and Security Tribunal crisis. Anthony made this known to journalists in an event to celebrate the exit of former Investment and Security Tribunal chairman in its headquarters in Abuja.
Today, we are coming here to thank God and thank the federal government, especially the President of the nation, Muhammadu Buhari, the Minister of Finance, and the Permanent Secretary and other government executive that have helped to rescue IST from this bad leadership. And we are praying and also asking. We have a lot of them in so many MDAs that the government should look at those tyrants, corrupt people, and take them off their seats so that Nigeria can move forward.
The union advised the incoming acting chairman to desist from acts that will jeopardize or hinder the growth of the agency and the country. AUPCTRE president reiterated the commitment of the union in its fight against corruption and stated that the union will not lose its focus.
Thank God he was a witness to what happened within the 2 years. And we have talked to him that, look, don't follow the footsteps of Barrister Ako. And we have advised him, look, you are here to work for government. You are not here to work for yourself. Work for Nigeria. So IST have a lot of cases on ground that will generate a lot of monies to this country. Concentrate on that and then take care of the welfare of the members of your staff. And we don't have any problem with that. If you want to come and snatch away the funds of IST, they belong to the public. It's public funds. That is where we are not going to agree.
Mr. Ikechukwu Ogu, chairman of the Investment and Security Tribunal branch, said the workers were excited when Mr. Isai Idoko Ako was appointed chairman of IST because of his experience. According to him, the unlawful behavior of Idoko Ako towards the welfare of the workers engendered the outcry.
From day one, we never wished the former chairman of IST evil. We never planned for him to leave the way he left. When he came, we received him with open arms. Based on the fact that he had worked in SEC, which is a sister organization to IST, we said this is a man who knows the capital market very, very well, and he's a seasoned lawyer. So, but lo and behold, he started off on a very wrong note. We did all we could to bring him to line. We did all we could. We sent people to advise him. He rebuffed all forms of advice. He said he can do anything that is within his power to do. We handed him over to God. We prayed, and God has answered our prayer. We are very happy. We feel liberated. We feel like people who have had a yoke over them, and that yoke has been taken off by God. That is how we feel.
For his part, Comrade Dear Pribo Briggs, Vice Chairman, Federal Capital Territory Council, said the celebratory atmosphere in IST is a reflection of the mood of the workers.
So today we are very happy. We are just celebrating the exit of a dark era in the Investment and Securities Tribunal. We give thanks to the President who listened to us, who saw our plight and decided to remove him after several indictments, at least at the last count, 9 indictments from PICA, even the DSS wrote against him, the SGF, everybody, the Ministry of Finance, the Permanent Secretary. And at the end of the day, he left. Since the day he left to today, you can see that there's life back in the tribunal. Everybody is happy. And so far, the acting chairman too is doing very well. He's carrying everybody along and every staff is happy.